be making a DIY light up plant stand.
And I'm really excited because we're going to be using this new type of LED. We've never used this on this channel before, so I'm really excited to see how we set this up and how it's going to look.
These lights are from Shine Decor. I absolutely love how they look. They're super easy to install and you can also cut them to size. And these are in the color Cool White. You get 16.4 feet of this rope light. I love the brightness. I also love the fact that you can't see where you hung your bracket. So it is one continuous light even when you cut it to size. And then lastly, I love the fact that they're waterproof. So you can use these outside, or like you see here, I have them for my plants. So if I do spray any water on the light, it'll still be safe. I'm first gonna plug them in. You should always do this first before installing any lights because they could be broken to begin with. Bam.
Whoa.
It comes with
These little brackets.
these little brackets that you basically attach directly onto your wood, and then the LED strip sits right inside the bracket. We're gonna go ahead and add some of these around our frame. And there are cut lines on where you're able to cut the light. So if you cut it anywhere else, your light will be broken and it's not gonna work. So you wanna be sure you're always cutting it directly on a cut line. So here's the cut line where we're going to go ahead and make our cut. As you can see, there's a little scissors line to indicate that that's where you can make a cut. So you wanna be sure that your light is unplugged. Get some heavy duty scissors or shears or some type of cutters and just cut right across that line. Now we're gonna go ahead and close it up with our edge and we're finished with our cut.
After you've made your cut here, plug your lights back in and make sure they work. All right.
So we're gonna go ahead and add our little heat shrink cap on the end, cut it to size, and then just use a blow dryer or some type of heat to seal that up.
Yep, so we're gonna go ahead and heat it up.
Cool. All right, so there we go. Here it is with the cap. I recommend using the lighter. It works a lot quicker that way. So now that it's nice and secure and waterproof, we're gonna go ahead and add the brackets around the frame and then secure the light.
All right, guys, so we have finished with the brackets.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and string the lights in.
The way that you string these lights is you just put it on its side.
There's a white part and a clear part. The clear part is where the LED illuminates. So you're gonna stick the white part into the metal. And you don't wanna just start randomly in the middle. You wanna start with the power cord end on the end. Oh, it slides in really easy, guys.
All right, now we have our light in place. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see it illuminated. Oh, look how pretty. I love it.
It looks so good.
It looks so nice. So here's how our structure ended up coming out. I absolutely love it.
I think it looks awesome. It's so cool. You can do so many different things.
They do come in different colors, cool white, warm white, and then other really fun colors like pink and green. So definitely check out Shine Decor for your next LED rope lights.